so what is going on? It's your boy Master here, and as I said like 2 videos ago, this is going to be my last shout out in quite a while. So yeah, if you entered, congrats. And so guys, the first shout out will be Cine. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. He does basically FIFA 16 and Sims 3, I'm thinking. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, if you're a Sims kind of guy or FIFA 16, then go check him out. And yeah. So guys, another person who has entered called Gilbert Gamer. He does videos on devices like Clash of Clans and car racing games. So if you're a car racing games kind of guy, or Clash of Clans, or you just want to see games on like tablets or phones or anything, go check him out because that's what he does. Okay guys, so another type of person is called Ace of Spades Games. He entered and he does Black Ops 3. Again, he's not too good at it, but it's funny, I like it, so yeah, go check him out. Okay guys, so the last person to enter is called Zach the Best Ginger Fisher, and yeah, so far he has done a room tour or a room video, but go check him out because he's going to be doing plenty of videos on games on the Xbox One, so yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As you guys know, I am What Your Master. Peace out.